All right, folks, there it is. That's the story of my life for the last 3 or 4 weeks, is dealing with this crawl space and the water in it. So the bucket used to be here, so I dug a deeper hole next to it and put the bucket in there so that I can get a lower water level. And so this dirt right here is an inch or so higher than it needs to be, but I started digging that out there, and I'll just excavate that again and put in the form. Well, I got to drill the holes first for the rebar, put in the rebar, and then put the form in. And then this hole would be ready for inspection, which I scheduled for Friday. This is Wednesday. And hopefully, since no rain is predicted for the next 3 days, maybe we can get this poured later Friday or Saturday morning. Anyway, that's the task for this week. Hello, folks. I'm back down here at the river. Obviously, it is hot as Hades here, and I'm going to show you what transpired over the last, I don't know, week or so, and what I got to do about it. And we'll check it out. All right, so I'm coming back here to the northwest side of the house, and this is the larger portion of one of the 2 footers. The column that's going to support the beam is going to be over this series of cinder blocks. Note that this is 6-inch wide cinder block, the original, and this is the 8-inch 1995 cinder block. 1995 footer goes down to there. Original footer only goes down to here. I had originally put in this rebar and prepared it for inspection, but it quickly failed inspection because it didn't match the engineer's drawings, which were drawn as a full 3-foot square footer. So I talked to the engineers, and all they basically said was I need to excavate what's under this footer and join the 2 halves together, and excavate a little bit under here to underpin this new footer, 1995 footer, with new concrete, and then of course run rebar between the joints and across here, and that would be sufficient. So the procedure is I'll dig this out and the other footer, lay the rebar, tie it all together, take pictures, send it to the engineers. They'll write up a document for presentation to the county justifying the structural integrity of that, and then I'll be able to proceed with pouring once the inspector buys off on it. So that's the procedure. I'll be inside doing the first excavation because that has the easiest access.